Hey there. Hi, how are you doing? It's Jonna. Welcome back to my channel. I have been really bored this quarantine, and let's face it, there are no salons open, you can't do anything. But I mean, you should be staying home doing your part to stop the spread. I hope all of you are doing that. But at the same time, we want to get our fix on either getting our nails done, lashes done, hair, but don't want to do anything too crazy, of course, that you may regret. So today I'm here to show you how I get my nails done like this at home, salon quality. They are super durable and they last just as long as until you would need a fill at a regular salon. So I'm going to show you everything I use and what I do exactly to get this. You don't necessarily have to do a natural look like me. You could do this with any shape, size, color you want to. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, you're going to want to start off with some alcohol. I use these prep pads just because it's a little easier to keep things clean. Next, you'll need some nail glue. This is a brush-on gel that's normally used for dip powder, but I ran out of my regular nail glue. Both work great, and I'll make sure to put both of those in the description box below. Of course, you'll need some false nails. These are clear, and they are a ballerina coffin shape, so it does give some versatility. I do like to cut them down a little bit, but they're perfect for a wide range of sizes. False nail clippers that I use, guys, this is a total lifesaver, just because if you're trying to cut down a false nail with regular nail clippers, they tend to crack and you can kind of see it through certain nail polishes, so this helps so much. I'm going to be using gel polish today to get that salon look, so I'm using the Beetles Gel base and top coat. And here's Mimi. She wanted to come say hello. Say hi, Mimi. Continuing on, these are still the Beetles brand, but this is just one of the sets of natural pink that they have. I'm going to be using a different one today. This is the pink shellac that I typically reach for. It gives a more natural look with just one coat, but it's very buildable, so very versatile. Now for one of my favorite products, guys, this is the Sun 120 watt nail lamp. It is one of the strongest ones normally that they actually use at the salon, and it gives you certain times that you can set to, or if you just put your hands in, it'll go for as long as you want. So to start off, you're going to want to press down your cuticles. Super easy. You'll just want to make sure to do that just to get the most out of your manicure. And then take a nail file and you just want to buff the top layer of your nail just so that the false nails can really adhere as best as they can. You're also going to want to file your nails pretty short just so you don't see the top of your actual nail when you put the false nails on. Here is where the alcohol prep pads come in. You just want to make sure that you clean off any excess that you filed off to make sure that the nails stick. And now for the fun part, you want to make sure that you are sizing your nail as best as you can, and I'm just kind of lining them up here so I can do them all at once. And then once you get that, then we'll get to the gluing. When you're gluing your nails down, you want to make sure that you add the glue onto your actual nail and then take the false nail and add glue to the back of that. That'll make sure that it sticks as well as it can, and you're also going to want to add some pressure for about 15 to 20 seconds. Once you get that done, then you'll just want to get through every single nail. I suggest that you do one hand at a time, as I'm doing here, just because with gel, it kind of can get sticky, so you want to stick to one hand until you have that top coat on. Now you're going to take your false nail clippers and cut accordingly, whatever size you're looking for. I normally go short just because it's easier for me to do things. Sometimes I'll go crazy, but it really just depends. And then you're also going to want to file them as well. Sometimes you can also file on the sides to kind of give it more of a coffin look. I like to go for as narrow as possible to make them super natural. Now I'm going to go in with the gel base coat, and I'm going to apply one coat. You don't have to go super thin, but also not super thick, and just keep in mind that gel doesn't dry the same. So in between coats, if you accidentally bump it, you might have to redo that coat again. So just something to keep in mind. For each and every coat, I like to keep my nails in for about 120 seconds, as long as the gel light will go. And then also I'm going to be taking the base coat yet again for a second coat, and I like to do this just because with this specific polish I like only using one coat to make it almost look transparent and as neutral as possible. But that's entirely up to you, and the more opaque you get with more layers, you really don't need an extra base coat, but this is just something that I do. Now going in with that pink gelac, I love this shade so much. I also really love white nails. Those two are my favorite. But for this one, I like to go in with just one coat. So I kind of go in with quite a bit of product, just not, of course, dripping over the nail bed, but you just want to get enough on there to your liking. As you can see, I'm also cleaning up the sides as well before I put the top coat on, just because the top coat seals everything down, so you want to make sure that you clean up all those edges. So like I said, I'm going to go in with that top coat, and it's up to your liking with this as well if you want to do one or two coats, but it works plenty well with just one coat for me. And there you have it. There's the final look. My favorite part is just touching my nails when they come out after the top coat, just because it's so strong and it's not like regular polish, but I am obsessed with doing this and it saved me so much money. I've probably spent $100 in total, but now I never really have to go to the salon again. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with others. It really helps small creators like me here on YouTube. Also, if you enjoyed this video, I would love to know what else you would like to see. Also, like these lash extensions, I did do them myself. I am not a certified lash or nail technician or esthetician in any way, shape, or form. This is just what I have done with my research, and maybe it would help you while you're in quarantine and trying to save some money. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.